Hello everyone, Scott LaFlock here from Sentrex Wind Services, here to give you another installment of ForjLive graphical interface demos. Today we shall be looking at the Interactive Charts module. Now this is a key feature of the Forj Power brand power supplies. So once again we will be using the diesel demo login information. This time I'll be going through the device list to get to the details page. There are multiple ways of getting to the interactive charts. In device map and device list, there are quick links which take us to this module. In the details page, as you can see here, you can access it through the sidebar or under the most recent data record. For this video, we'll use the sidebar. To give you a brief overview of the features, here we have the chart, timeline section and data preview, and plotting options above. There are 4 axes for plotting information, each color-coded, which means that we can display 4 different measurements at once, each with their own mean, max, and min information. We also have events. Now these show the loaded status at each given point, denoted by a point on the chart. We also have different display options for the timeline preview and selection, so we have week, month, and year capabilities, and a time zone offset, so this data can be manually offset to a user's preferred time reference. The option download CSV takes the above settings and downloads the data in a .csv file for external analysis or use with third-party software. Now let's go through the example of using the interactive charts. Now say we were curious about the mean bank voltage charging cycle and voltage level, as well as the load 8 current. Now for the axis 1, we'll select mean bank voltage, and axis 2, load 8 current, with load 8 status event. Now when you hover over each data trend, the data ID, as you can see here, bank voltage, it will be displayed with a statistical type. In this case we're using mean data. This will either display mean, min, or max, depending on the checkbox that you clicked earlier, the date and time that the data was received, and the value of the data. As you can see here, this is the current. What we can see is the power supply is going through its charging cycle, with the battery bank voltage staying just above 24 volts, with a load of about 1 amp being applied to the system. Now say you wanted to save this information, you could save a copy of the graph by exporting it in either PNG, JPEG, PDF, or SVG file formats, or you could even directly print a copy. To save the data, just click the above download CSV file. Now I'll show you a brief output of the interface. Now as you can see here, these are our data points. For the entire span of the time you selected above, it gives you each data point, and it also says when it was taken, and then it gives you a list of each data point ID reference, min, max, and then the value of each. Now this could be used for further evaluation purposes. I hope you enjoyed the ForjLive graphical interface demo on the interactive charts feature. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for further videos on demos, tutorials, and any other content we have related to Forj Power brand power supplies.